Hello my friends and welcome to another unboxing video. So I'm checking out this. It's actually three stackable shoe boxes. They come with, I believe, a little magnetic door here. Some assembly required, but these are like acrylic or plastic. Here's the instructions. So we're just going to assemble these real quick, and they turn out to be a sweet little like a box there. So I'm not sure exactly what size these fit. There's a couple there, and this came in two boxes. Shouldn't be too difficult to assemble though, not a lot of pieces here. So, but looks pretty neat. A lot of people, or some people have some super expensive shoes, and they're also more like kind of like display pieces too. They like to put them in, you know, little areas where they'll be kind of protected. So this looks like I'm just gonna make me open each individual little thing here. All right, there's that. Don't look like these will be too difficult to assemble here. Whoa. Okay, that's cool. It's got a little door here. This looks like it's gonna swing out. That's sweet. It does have like little neodyne magnets in there, so that's pretty cool. I'll take this off if it'll let me. All right, come off of there. Okay, so there's the little door, and then here's like another portion here. I'm just gonna get all this out of the plastic real quick and try to show you guys how to assemble one real quick. Okay friends, I'm gonna try to assemble one for you here. So each package has its thing here. So just take one of these, one of the bendies, and then it's gonna have two, we're gonna have two of these for the sides. They only snap in one way. So just kind of look at the little sides there. And these are just gonna snap in, should line up, and you hear a little snap when they click in. And then the other side as well. So these are, make sure that they do line up. All right. I think that was the way, or did they need to make a little snap noise. So you want the whole, the part that sticks out to go on this side, the inner side basically. There we go. And they should hear like a little snap as they go into place there. Yeah, then this side goes up, the back side here locks into place. And then those are gonna go right on top like that. Just like that. And then over here, get the other side nice and lined up. And those should just snap into place there. Okay, what's going on here? So I did get that. That's that way. Okay, should be good. I just didn't hear the snap. There we go. There we go. There we go. Snapped all in. And this comes down here. This one goes, push that one in a little bit. That should go. This is going to go in, and that's going to go out actually. So let me see here. There we go. That should go. Basically, that one goes above, and that one goes below. Okay, there we go. And then we have our little door. And this goes right on there. Snaps right into place, and there we are. We have the little shoe case, and these are going to be stackable. So I'm going to build the other ones real quick here. And I guess it came with 3 in each one. So now that I'm an expert, make sure these the notches are facing inward, towards, little notches are facing inward, and then we just snap those. They have to line up though with the holes. So there's going to be 2 different ways. Here we go. Make sure you hear that snapping noise. snap right into place there. Okay. All right, those are, I want to hear the snaps. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. There we are. I'll get another one here. And this is going to go just like this on here. There are 3 little snaps. That's easy. There we go. This is going to come down here. And we want that one to go kind of lock in with that one over the top. And then go under on this side. There we go. And then our front door here. Right there like that. Easy peasy. I'm going to do the rest here and show you guys how they look with the shoes and stuff in them. Okay, here we go. Got this one up a little higher so we can see the little notches sticking inwards towards the holes. If they don't line up, just flip them over. And you want to hear a little clicking noise. Come on. There we go. There we go. And, oh, come on, little buddy. There we are. There's a little plastic slot there, and that needs to slide into that, and it should make a nice little clicking noise there. That way you know. Oops, get your holes. And if they're not lined up, just rotate it around so they do line up. Oops. There's that. There we go. There we go. Snapping in. There we go. Easy as pie. Turn it around. Get this side on there. They all line up nicely. And snap into place. 1, 2, 3. And then this part here. One part, they kind of mesh in the back here. One part goes under and the other part goes above there. And those are kind of like that. It's difficult to see, but this is not difficult to do. Not at all. All right, what's going on over here? There we go. Got those on there. There we go. I got 4 built already. Didn't take very long. Let's get the other 2 knocked out. All right, it comes with these little plastic stud things too. You just twist these off, and these are going to go into the top of the shoe boxes and also the bottom. So you twist those off, and then in the bottom here, you can put these in there. It just snaps in there into the shoe box here. Snapping there pretty good. They snap in, so you gotta kind of push pretty hard there to get them in there. And they might be fun getting them out. So there's 4 on there, and those ones should just snap onto the bottom right here if I can. Anyways, even if I can't, they're not really going anywhere as far as like not snapped on, but the pegs go on there and they become basically like one. I think I could push them together. If I opened up the doors and pushed from the bottom, I think they would snap together. But that's cool for now, just showing you guys that. Okay, so guys, as you can see, got right here, just pop them out. Those hold nicely in place, the little neodyne magnets. You can see you got your shoes in here. It's going to keep dust off them. You could put other things in here as well, whatever you want. But these are pretty cool. I like how you just pop them open, pull your shoes out if you want them. This could be like a little toy organizer easily too. So with the little things on there, they stack nicely. All these can just be opened up. You could see I like that they're clear too, so you can see what's inside. Like I said, you could put all kinds of different toys in here, different things. So like stuffed animals, all kinds of little collector's items, whatever you want to put in there. They're sturdy. You can stack these up like 6 high or more. Yeah, these are pretty durable. I wouldn't like stand on them, but they're pretty strong. So I would definitely trust it to put more up there. Probably hold books and all kinds of things in there. So really just a handy little organizer or display for your shoes, whatever you want to use them for. They're pretty sweet. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.